I'm gonna do a pretty one for you here. Between the lines, you just opened up your eyes and see the spaces that divide the world around you. With that feeling deep inside, it's a fate that just won't hide, and it's keeping you alive, but you said I do. So you keep me pushed below, but deep down you know that the light that's in his eyes just isn't for you. And all the things that you desire doesn't keep your heart inspired, and the years you've lost and lost come back to find you. Just open up your eyes, and it's real time, and it's real time. As you're lying there awake, and with every breath you take, thoughts of us appear, not knowing how to take them. You saw me the other day, and that look you just can't fake. Something hiding down inside, you just can't shake it. So you keep it pushed below, but deep down you know that the light that's in his eyes just isn't for you. And all the things that you desire doesn't keep your heart inspired, and the years you've lost and lost come back to find you. Just open up your eyes, and it's real. And it's real. So you've lost your way, there's no mistaking it. Decisions that you make, there's no regret in it. You lost your mind, they're saying, with every vow you're breaking, you just can't help but let it out. So you keep it pushed below, but deep down you just a